Hey guys, what's going on? This is Deepak. Today I'm gonna show about how to install Kali Linux. So for this you need to have the following requirements. Number one, you need to have VirtualBox or VMware workstation. Number two, you must have the ISO file of Kali Linux of latest version or any version. So take let's get started with installation of Kali Linux. Open the VirtualBox here. Sorry, I am deleting all the files. Okay, take the fresh, type Kali Linux, click on Debian 64-bit. So make sure that your computer must support virtualization. So see here, the virtualization has been enabled. If it is not enabled, it's difficult to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So make sure that virtualization is enabled. To enable virtualization, once go through your BIOS settings, and there you can find virtual technology like Intel virtual technology or some blah blah blah. So there you find the virtual technology. There you can enable the virtualization. By that you can install Kali Linux using VirtualBox or VMware. So for example, I am going to show about the Kali Linux installation on VirtualBox. Click on next here. Allocate the memory as much you want. Minimum 3 GB RAM is required. So I am going to give 3 GB RAM here. Click on create, click on next, click on next. So here you must pay some attention. So minimum 10 GB is required for Kali Linux. As your wish you can allocate any type of storage, any type of amount of storage. So I need 100 GB, so I am going to give 100 GB of hard disk storage. Now click on create. It has been created. Click on settings, go to system processor. You must allocate two processors, two CPUs to Kali Linux. Okay, click on storage, choose virtual optical disk file here. So my virtual optical disk is here already selected. Click on this. So don't disturb any other settings. Up to this you must do. So okay, let's get started. Click on graphical install. Click on continue. Okay. Select the options as your wish. It's not important, it's no need. It doesn't depend upon the previous options. So I click continue. I neglected those options. Click on continue again. Set the user login password here as your wish. Make sure that it is easy to remember by you. Click on continue. Click on continue again. So this is one of the crucial role while you are partitioning the disk. So click on first one, click on continue. Okay, click on continue. If you are a new user, means installing for the first time in your machine Kali Linux, go on the first option. So I had reinstalled this Kali Linux before. For some errors I am reinstalling this. For the type of persons you must go with the second option and click on continue. Yes, click on continue, click on yes and click on continue again. So it started the installing, so it will take a couple of minutes to install. Let's enjoy some music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Okay, well, look like that installed the OS. So use a network mirror, click on no. Wait a minute guys, it take a couple of minutes. It started installing grub bootloader. Install a grub bootloader. Yes, click on yes and continue. Here you must not select. Here you should not select enter device manually. If you click on this, error will be occurred. Means OS will be installed normally, but when you are booting, you will appear with a black screen, and there you will get stuck. But the loading of OS won't be done there. So click here on the second option. If you choose this option, then the black screen error will occur. So click on the second option and click on continue. Almost OS installation of Kali Linux has installed. Yes, click on continue. Wait a couple of minutes guys. As you can see, installation of Linux has been cleared and it's booting. So our Linux has been installed. So you enter your credentials to login. So yes, sign in success. So this is how the Kali Linux to be installed. So if you get any errors while installing the Kali Linux, please keep in the comment box. I will surely respond to you. So this is how the Kali Linux will be installed. So if you like the content, you please like and subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Goodbye.